It's approximately 3:40 in the afternoon at Jack Studios. We have Jill Martin here about to perform a whole little exercise circuit for about 5 minutes. So here we go. Starting with standing mountain climbers in 3, 2, 1, go! There we go. Get up there, Jill. Get up there. Get up there. Jill's wearing the mass suit prototype that covers every joint with resistance bands attached to it. The idea is it burns double the calories and works your muscles twice as hard due to its attached to every arthrometic point. Keep going, keep going. 10 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder press. Let's go. Let's go up and down. Oh yeah. Dying. Dying. Can you smile, please? Let's go here. Let's go. Oh, thank you. Keep going. Keep your body straight. Don't rot like that. There you go. That's better. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chest press. Punch out. Punch out. Let's go. Punch out. Good. Quick. Punch out. Punch out. Punch out. Difficulty is obviously very high. Keep going. Dig it out. Let's go. Dig it out. Dig it out. Dig it out. Come on. Come on. Get out there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 8 seconds. Come on. Dig it out. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bicep curls. Bicep curls. Let's go. Here we go. Right into it. Curl. 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 Good. Curl. Curl. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. Keep going. Great form. Keep it up. 20 seconds. Keep going. Oh yeah. You're doing good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down for push-ups. Here we go. Get down there. Nice and low. 15 seconds only. Good. As low as you can. No, it's difficult. Good. Here we go. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good form. Good form. Good form. Let's go. I know you can't, but you're going to keep going. Let's go. 5. No, get up. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for a plank. Let's go. Hold for a plank. Stay right there. Breathe. 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 Here we go. You can do it. Keep that butt up. Keep that butt up high. There you go. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe.
Come on.
Oh, hell. I don't think so. I don't think so. Get back up there. And now do me mountain climbers. Let's go. Mountain climbers. Go. In and out. In and out. Let's go. In and out. Go. In and out. In and out. No, get up. Get up. Let's go, Jill. Come on, girl. Let's go. Get up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. You got 15 seconds left. 15 seconds. Let's go. 14, 13, 12. Let's go. No. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Get up. No. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay.
Oh my gosh.
Anything you'd like to say about that disgusting 3-minute circuit we just did?
No. Can't you tell how it felt?
Yep.
It was awesome.
Good job, Jill.
Awesome.